Hello dear traders, I'm Anna Kasatkina. You're watching weekly financial review from InstaForex. Wall Street's Friday session closed in green zone, although the indices retraced from their highs reached on the robust US labor market data. Thus, the US economy added 175,000 jobs in February, while unemployment rate edged up to 6.7%. It was the first increase in 14 months. The analysts had expected 140,000 more vacancies. The S&P 500 added 0.1% to 1,878.04 points. Meanwhile, the Dow Jones gained 0.2% to close at 16,452.72 points. On the week, the S&P 500 advanced by 1%, while the Dow rose by 0.8%. Meanwhile, the Nasdaq Composite moved against the trend, falling by 0.4% to 4,336.22 points. Nevertheless, the indicator's weekly growth was 0.7%. The experts think that the market will be scrutinizing the FOMC meeting and Janet Yellen press conference, which will cast the light on further monetary policy. Moreover, investors will also focus on initial jobless claims reports from the USA. On Friday, the latest report showed that the U.S. trade deficit widened moderately to $39.1 billion in January from $39 billion in December. The analysts had expected a shortfall of $39.7 billion. Meanwhile, eBay's shares contributed to Nasdaq negative. The company's quotes dived down after Mark Anderson, the board member, took another shot at Carl Icahn, who thinks that eBay should spin off its PayPal payment service. Moreover, Skullcandy shares jumped by 24% on stronger than expected quarterly report. The Big Lots papers propelled 23%. Safeway Incorporated shares lost 2.2% after the news about merging with Albertsons, the chain store owned by private equity firm Cerberus Capital Management, surfaced, discouraging investors. This was the weekly financial review of Forex and stock markets prepared for you by our InstaForex team. Thank you and see you next week. Bye.